Clean Water Program and the North South Baykeeper teams at Resources for Sustainable Communities, and we're here at Marine Park on Bellingham Bay in the Salish Sea. We're on the traditional homelands and in the traditional home waters of the Coast Salish people, to whom orca and salmon are sacred. And we're here to celebrate a success in orca recovery. This year, the Washington State Legislature passed a package of orca recovery bills meant to address the three largest challenges of our endangered southern resident orca populations, which are noise from vessel traffic, lack of food from diminishing salmon populations, and toxic pollution entering the Salish Sea and the waters that feed it. This is a great success. We have a lot more work to do, but being able to celebrate our successes and get recharged and ready to go to do more actions is really important. So no better time than the present. Let's go!